fourth bit. In this, it is given that Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. So she wants two types of notes only, rupees 50 and 100. Meena got 25 notes. So cashier gives her 25 notes. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and 100 she received. So here let us consider, let the number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 100 notes be X and Y respectively. Since the total notes she received are 25, so we have X plus Y equals to 25. So this is the first equation. Now she got X notes of rupees 50, so 50X, and Y notes of rupees 100, so 100Y. Together she received 2000 rupees, so equals to 2000. Let us divide this equation by 50. So we get X plus 2Y equals to 40, equation 2. Now as we can see in this, both X terms are same in the equations, so we'll subtract. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So X plus 2Y equals to 40, X plus Y equals to 25. On subtracting, X gets cancelled. 2Y minus Y is Y. 40 minus 25 is 15. So Y is 15. Substituting Y in equation 1, that is in X plus Y equals to 25. So X plus 15 equals to 25. So X is 10. So 10 notes of rupees 50 and 15 notes of rupees 100. And this can be easily verified also. 10 into 50 is 500, 15 into 100 is 1500, and together it is 2000. Now let's solve the last question of this exercise. Fifth bit. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and charge for each extra day. So there are particularly two types of charges, fixed charge and charge per day. So let us consider the charges to be X and Y. Let the fixed charge be rupees X and charge per day be rupees Y. From the first condition, Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. As there is a fixed charge for the 3 days, so we'll take this as X. Out of 7 days, 3 days are fixed. So the remaining 4 days will be charged. So it will be 4Y. She paid rupees 27 for that. So X plus 4Y equals to 27. Second, Susie paid rupees 21 for 5 days, out of which 3 days are fixed. So it is x plus extra 2 days means x plus 2y equals to 21. This is second equation. Again here in both the equations x terms are same, will cancel out by subtracting. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. So x plus 4y equal to 27 and x plus 2y equals to 21. On subtracting, x gets cancelled, 2y equals to 6, so y is 3. Substituting y in any one of the equations, say 2. So x plus 6 equals to 21. So x equals to 21 minus 6, that is 15. So fixed charge for 3 days is rupees 15 and charges per day is rupees 3. So this completes exercise 3.4, that is elimination method. Thank you.